Bonjour everyone, Madame Bleu here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a clip-in hair extension install. Now this is a client that I had way back in the day. Like, I want to say like when I first opened my salon, like literally 10 years ago with my suite, because I opened in like 2015 and I moved to my new suite in 2020, and I don't think I ever did her hair in that suite. So anywho, long time ago. Fast forward, I'm working at this job and I see this girl in the lunchroom and I'm like, wait, I think I know her. So anywho, exchanged information and she made an appointment. So I have a rule on my website, which she actually did not book on my website because she was pretty much like a squeeze in between my two clients, as I had a little bit of space and I was like, okay, this should not take me too long, so I should be able to do it. So she actually was like a walk-in same day appointment. Anywho, I have a rule that you have to have at least 5 inches of hair all around, and that is because when you have shorter hair, I have to try to pretty much make it work. And I just feel like there was always something that somebody was complaining about, and it's like, ma'am, you have an inch of hair and I just gave you a sew-in, a good sew-in. So it just seemed like every single time that I had to make it work, there was something going on. So I just choose not to do that anymore. You need to have hair. So she's growing out a pixie cut. So I didn't know how short it was. I know she was growing out a short cut, but I didn't know how long it had been. So I was like, oh Lord, now it's fine, whatever. The problem was that I had misplaced my pressing comb. Lord, I said. Now there is a little space between my back seats and my trunk area, and stuff is always falling down there. So eventually I found my pressing comb in there because I keep my hair stuff all together. So I was like, there's no other place that it could be. So like, what's going on? Anywho, and I had to do other silk presses this day, and I'm glad that I did not need to use a pressing comb on any of them. So anywho, I had to call my sister. First of all, I didn't have braiding hair either. She came in with a bun, and I used the braiding hair from her bun because I was like, babe, I can't grip this without braiding hair. I mean, I can grip it, but I need braiding hair because it needs some stability. Anywho, I called my sister and said, please bring me that electric pressing comb. Please, please, please. There was no way I was going to be able to blend it without it. A pressing comb alone was not going to be, not a pressing comb, a flat iron alone was not going to be enough. I needed a pressing comb. And I also used hairspray. Like, I used wax stick, a lot of stuff to get this hair blended in and not sticking up. So anywho, child, we made it work. That's all that mattered. We made it work, but I was literally stressed out because it was like, I have no braiding hair again. I typically keep braiding hair on me. I don't know where the heck it was at, why I didn't have any. But of course I didn't plan to do this, so I didn't have what I needed. Anywho, made it work, child. So that's all the talk I'm gonna do. Half of the video. Hope you guys enjoy.